Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you what you need to know about watching iQIYI VIP content for free. Your VIP content on iQIYI normally requires an active subscription. However, some shows and episodes may occasionally be available for free promotionally. You can also check whether iQIYI is offering a free trial in your region. Keep in mind that the premium VIP content cannot normally be accessed without a valid subscription. Always use official methods to access streaming content. And that's it. That's what you need to know about iQIYI VIP access. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.